Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. And as you see, my mango start to melt because it was in the freezer. So guys, let's get into the video. Oh, 1 second guys, let me get my bananas. I add my bananas. I put it in the freezer for it to, you know, make some little ice or something like that. So when we blend it, it can be like chill and have a little bit of ice in it. Alright guys, let's get into the video. Welcome back to the healthier side of things. And today I'm gonna make a healthy smoothie for you. All right, I brought these guava from Jamaica. They are frozen, but in order to make the guava drink or the smoothie, because it has a lot of seeds, what you have to do, you have to blend it with some water, cut it up, blend it. You can blend it with the skin, then you have to strain it, and then you will get this guava nectar. But you know what, please try this brand. It is really rich. Oh my god, if you love guava, try this brand. And it's like nectar, so it's thick and ready for my smoothie. All right, let's get into the video. I'm going to use some almond milk, and I have a banana here I put in the fridge or freezer, some crushed ice, and we're going to get into this video. We're going to dump everything all at once. My frozen banana or semi-frozen. My mangoes, guys, this mango is so sweet. Taste that. It's so sweet, guys. I brought them from Jamaica. As you can see, I eat out some of it already. All right, put my mango in there. I'm gonna add some crushed ice. And now guys, I'm gonna add some guava. I also put this in the freezer for it to chill a little bit. Look at it, guys. Look at it. I'm gonna add about half cup there, and then I'm gonna add about half cup of this almond milk because I add liquid there already. Ooh, that's good enough, my dear. Good enough. Hold it. Hold your horses. And that's it, guys. That's it today. Easy and simple. All right, I'm gonna cover it and I'm gonna blend. And that's it right there. All right guys, I put my glass in the freezer. Ooh, I'm making a mess here, guys. Let me just clean this up and I'll come back. Okay, I'm back. So look at this, guys. How rich. Ah, and can you see the ice in my glass? I put it in the freezer to cool. Please guys, when you put your glass in the freezer, don't leave it. It will break. Just for maybe 5 minutes. And look at this richness, guys. Oh yes. Oh yes. A little bit more. Tap it up. Ooh, yeah. Let me taste it. If you like guava and if you love mango, this is it. All right, so good and refreshing. And my peeps, that's the final result. I'm not adding anything else to it. That's it right there, guys. Yes, yes, yes. Look at it. My mango guava smoothie or guava mango smoothie, whichever way you want to call it, or however. All right guys, this is the final result. Really healthy, it's filling, it's good for you, add lots of vitamins, good for digestion. It's gonna build your body, guys, and it's gonna make you feel full. And if you want to lose weight, this is the way to go. All right guys, one love and be blessed. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel. I told you I'm not going over 5 minutes. Mwah! Love upon me and I love upon you. Look at that, guys. Oh, look at it. Bye guys.